I am so excited about this new camera we got. The shots we're gonna get are gonna be incredible, and you guys are really gonna like this when I combine it with the drone video. All right, let's talk about Insta360 action cams. Now, starting off, we got the Insta360 X4, which just came out. And this is gonna give you 8K video, 72 megapixel images, 4K at 60 frames a second, waterproof to 33 feet. It's supposed to have incredible editing software. We're gonna check that out. And let's see, in the box, it's got standard lens guards, Type-C cables, protective pouch lens cloth warranty card, and an X4 camera. And you can see all the different uses. Of course, we are definitely gonna be using the paddleboard and the bike mount. And we have the motorcycle bundle, which takes us into this, which gives us several attachments here. Clamp mount, flexible adhesive mount, which I guess I'll put on my helmet. Looks like a handlebar mount, so that's gonna be fun. And then next, of course, you're gonna need an extra battery, always helpful. And then those lens guards, you're gonna want some more lens guards when you scratch those lens guards, because this is a spherical lens that protrudes out, so you're gonna be scratching that. So you wanna put the lens guard on top of that so you don't scratch that. I've heard that if you do get a scratch on the actual spherical lens, any imperfections really show up more than even a regular camera because of the curved lens. And then tripods. I know there's a lot of different tripods you can get for these. I went with the tripod mount, which I always love a nice selfie stick with tripod mount. And then this is the invisible selfie stick. Now let's crack open the package. See what we got in here. We've got our Insta360 X4 camera. It's actually heavier than I thought. Wow, this thing feels substantial. Doesn't feel light like a GoPro. Remember these lenses I was telling you about, how they stick out and protrude, so you got to be real careful with them. Now let's see what else we got in here. One thing I'll definitely say about the packaging is it's definitely got an Apple feel to it. Think bold, that's funny, just like Apple. And boy, they really upgraded their package game here. And you've got your cables, you've got some other things in this little neoprene carrying case, which is really sweet. What's funny is the camera even comes with this optional battery, and even that has a nice little carrying case, which I thought was pretty cool. Even safety guidelines for the battery. So this is a lithium polymer battery, not lithium ion. Interesting. The first thing you want to do is take this little protective cover off right here. Peel that off. And then these are the little protective covers that go on. So we've got the protective covers on, and you can see that little tiny blue dot right there. And there's one on both sides. And you can see with the instructions how you put it on, and you have to twist with that little blue dot. It actually takes two hands because you want to be real careful with it. Next, we got our motorcycle kit, which this is very GoPro-like. I mean, the design looks very GoPro-like. I'm surprised there's not a patent infringement on some of this stuff. Suction cup mounts, which are really cool. I can't wait to play with those. So a couple things I want to point out about the selfie sticks is they're really, really well made, really good quality. I actually have this, I don't know if you can see it in the video here very clearly. Try to focus in on that. This is a little $5 adapter I bought, and I'm going to show you what this does in a second. But this is, you just pull this straight out. There's no button or anything to extend it. And then this is the invisible selfie stick. And then this is another selfie stick, but I wanted the tripod. Now they could have made this perfect where I wouldn't even need this one. But if you look, there's no screw on the bottom to mount it to a paddleboard. So this is going to be great for the paddleboard. And then this one, you know, you can just turn this into a regular selfie stick. So you can see bringing this in, there's a little push button right there on the bottom, and that just brings the selfie stick back together from a tripod. And it's pretty long, but it is definitely not as long as the 3 meter, but this is going to be fun to start with. And then this one, like I said, is going to be on the paddleboard, and I'll show you that in just a second. Most importantly, don't forget your firmware update before you use your new camera. So I want to extend this out just to give you a look of what it's going to look like on the paddleboard. Most of your high-end paddleboards have these built-in mounts here. This is a red Paddle Co, and it has 2 of these mounts. And this is a 13-foot inflatable. And you're going to see this is pretty far out. But with the horizon lock, I'm going to see, because when you paddle, you actually rock the board from side to side. So with this horizon lock, I'm going to see how this works out with the paddling and see how this the results of this turn out. I wanted to give you guys a couple of quick shots. Now, if you look, this is a cloudy day, and one thing I have noticed about this camera is it really doesn't like cloudy days. When the sun was fully out, it seemed to take a lot better video. And this is just a quick sample of what this camera can do. And you can get some really cool effects like going through items like this. But I'm just trying to get ideas of what I should do with this camera and how I should integrate it with my videos. And of course, how to kind of marry this with drone video so you can make really cool seamless transitions and put out some really cool video. I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching.